Hey guys, SamLab Tech here. Guys, are you tired of getting stuck on this right here? Watch. Are you tired of this? Watch it. Watch it. Tired of getting stuck right here and you wait for 10 days and it's still stuck there. Are you tired of that? All right, let's force quit it. Let's force quit this. I think your life is going to be saved today. Are you tired of not being able to open Final Cut? Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. It gets stuck. Same thing. Well, it's been able to open now. It's been able to open now, but that's because I fixed a lot of things, right? But just watch logic, okay? Are you tired of getting stuck here? Okay. I figured out the issue, so I wanted to kind of show you. See, watch this. It stays right there and it gets stuck there. Okay. Nothing happens and you're not able to open logic. And also you're not able to open Final Cut, but it's because I've been able to fix the main issue. Okay. So if this happens, what do you do? Okay. Let me tell you exactly what I did. You see, it's stuck there. All right. So right now it's able to work. That's because I've moved. You guys can see in the trash, I have a lot of stuff there, right? That's because I've cleaned it up enough that it's been able to work. Okay. But the whole point is this. When you go, how do you get here? Let me show you guys. When you go on your Mac, you go to library and you go to audio, you go to plugins, you go to components. Okay. Usually there's a problem here. Okay. And the way I did this is this. I created a file on my desktop and I called it components. And all I did was I began to select them all out and moved all of them to the components folder, okay? And once they were in there, okay, it's not going to take much long. It only takes like a few seconds, you know. All right, you guys see that? Very quick. It doesn't take much long. All right, these are just, basic, raw data. Okay, you guys can see that very quick. All right, so when I did that, I went ahead and deleted everything in here. Watch. Okay. All right. Well, I'm not going to go ahead and do this because I don't want to really edit this video. I just want to show you guys real quick. All right. So basically, I went ahead and deleted everything there. Okay. Then what I started doing was I began to drag a few of them in there little by little until I figured out the situation. Okay. So watch this. All right. I don't need this. I created it. I did the same thing with the components and I did the same thing with the VST and VSTS3. That did nothing. The problem was here in the components, okay? So, realize it's still not opening. Watch. All right? Realize it's still not opening. See, I almost threw this computer away. I was like, you know what? I need to get rid of this computer. But I was like, something told me, go in there and stop being lazy and just do the dirty work. I just didn't want to do the dirty work. But when I did, it saved my life. All right? You realize it's still not opening. Now watch this. This is one of the bad ones. Okay? So watch this. Delete it. You know what? I'm just going to have to edit this. No problem. Okay. I thought it was going to show the password. Good. All right? That's gone. Now watch this. Just like that, guys. And it's here. You guys see that? You guys see that? Very quick. It didn't take much long. Just do the dirty work. I know a lot of you guys feel like it's too many files. Just do the dirty work. It's going to pay off. So here's the point. Step 1. Navigate into this folder here, plugins, components, and just delete everything out. Create a components folder on your desktop. Begin to drag it little by little And the way I did it is this: when I drag it, then I open whatever app is not working just to see if it's going to work. I kept doing it until I figured out what it was. And you realize the last one I deleted is part of it. Now with Final Cut, there was probably one of the ones here in my trash, part of it too, and that's why it's probably working. Okay, so now Final Cut was not opening. Now guess what? It's opening very fine, no issues. Okay, no issues. All right, cool. And Logic, as you guys can see, was not opening. Watch. Come on. All right, here. Logic was not opening. As you guys can see, bam, it opened up. Right? Cool. Now watch this. I'm going to do the bad thing again. The bad thing we like. We like to install external free VSTs, right? And that's what happened. Watch. Cool. Boom. The bad thing is in there. Watch what happens now. All right. See, I didn't know this until I came to this problem. And I want to teach you so it doesn't happen to you. All right. It stays here and it's never going to open. It's just going to be circling up like that. And it's never going to open. It's never going to open. Okay. So just wanted to show you guys real quick so you guys have an idea in case this happened to you. Eventually, this is going to just give you the error message said, oh, there you go. Perfect. And it's just going to stay there like that. Right. So I'm just showing you guys so this don't happen to you. Right. Okay. And with this, once it's out, okay, once it's out, it should be back up and running with no problem. Okay. Once it's out and you force quit this and you reopen, boom, it's here. Okay. So the root of my problem is I probably had it on something. I don't know what it is, but I'm just going to tell you guys in a simple way. Stay away from free VSTs. What do I mean by that? Okay, let me show you guys. Many of us would do stuff like this. Go to google.com, free AU plugins. This is what we do for Mac. And then we go to that website. Okay, and then we start downloading these things. Okay, just be careful is what I'm telling you. All right, be careful, because these are the things that happen, and sometimes these developers are not really updating these plugins, and this is what happens when this happens. All right, so I hope this helped you. I hope you don't have to go through this ever, but I hope it helps you. All right, well guys, SamLab Tech bringing you this tutorial. I hope it has helped you. I hope it has saved your life, because it surely saved mine, because I was literally gonna throw my computer away considering the kind of specs my system has. Okay, considering that it has some very high-end specs, you know, 3.1 gigahertz 2017, not too bad, right? 16 gigabyte of DDR3, okay, and not a pretty solid drive here. Okay, so considering all that, it was tough to know that to see that I was going through this. Okay, so I hope it helped you guys, and I hope you guys have learned something new, and this solves your issue, whatever you're going through. All right, well, SamLab Tech, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.